how to show profile picture instead of video on Zoom meeting. Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll teach you how you can show profile picture instead of video on Zoom meeting. As you can see, that it's my profile picture that is being displayed now and not video. So how do you do this? The first step is to go to log in into your Zoom page, all right? It's your Zoom account to be precise. And then once you're logged in, you can go ahead and start a meeting or join a meeting, whichever one. Once you're in a meeting, once you've joined the meeting and you're on the meetings page, automatically you would see that by the lower part of the screen, you see the meeting controls, you see the mute, you see the microphone, and then you see the video. Now, once your video is off, definitely your profile picture will be the one to appear. All right, so that is just basically how to do it. So to show your profile picture instead of video, whenever you log in into a meetings page, just turn off your video just like I have done here, and then your profile picture would appear automatically. But if you turn it off, your video will appear again. But just tap on this video icon, your your video will be turned off, and then your profile picture will appear. But if your profile picture is not appearing and you tap on the video, the video of yourself will be displayed instead. All right, so that is it. This is how you can show profile picture instead of video on Zoom meeting. Thanks for watching.